When it comes to home improvement, installing a new door may seem like a straightforward task. Whether you're upgrading your entryway or adding a stylish interior door, many homeowners consider taking on the project themselves. However, opting for professional door installation in Brandon offers several advantages that go beyond just a functional doorway. Here's why leaving door installation to the experts is the best decision for your home. Expertise and experience. One of the primary reasons to hire a professional for door installation is the level of expertise and experience they bring to the table. Experts in door installation have years of experience working with various types of doors, whether it's traditional wood, fiberglass, or steel. This knowledge ensures the door is installed properly, ensuring maximum functionality, security, and energy efficiency. Professionals know the ins and outs of installing doors that fit well and function correctly. They have the skills to deal with unexpected issues that may arise, such as issues with the door frame, misalignment, or structural problems. Their experience helps them avoid the common pitfalls that DIYers might encounter, like poor alignment, air leaks, or uneven locking mechanisms. Tools and equipment. Door installation requires more than just a basic toolkit. Proper tools and equipment are necessary for precise measurements, accurate cutting, and smooth installation. While some homeowners may have a basic drill or hammer, they likely lack the specialized tools required for a job of this nature. Professional door installers have access to high-quality tools that can make the job easier and more precise. For instance, tools for measuring and cutting frames, shims, and door panels to perfection are essential for ensuring a secure fit and a smooth, level operation. Without the proper tools, DIYers risk making costly mistakes that could affect the door's performance and aesthetic. Time-saving and convenient. Door installation can take longer than expected, especially if you're doing it yourself. Even if you have some experience with DIY projects, the process can still be time-consuming and require multiple adjustments before the door functions properly. From removing the old door and prepping the frame to adjusting the hinges and locks, there's a lot to consider. Hiring professionals to install your door saves you time and stress. They work efficiently and can often complete the installation in a fraction of the time it would take a homeowner, leaving you with a hassle-free experience. Furthermore, many installation experts are available to work around your schedule, offering greater flexibility and convenience. Enhanced security. A poorly installed door can compromise your home's security. If the door is not installed correctly, there could be gaps that allow for drafts, water leaks, and even easy access for intruders. A door that doesn't close properly may fail to lock securely, leaving your home vulnerable. Professionals ensure that every aspect of the door installation is done with precision, from ensuring the door frame is level to checking that the locks and hinges work flawlessly. When an expert installs your door, you can rest assured that your home is well secured and protected against unwanted guests. Long-term cost savings. While it might seem like installing a door yourself saves money in the short term, it can actually be more expensive in the long run if things go wrong. Incorrect installation can result in damage to the door or the frame, requiring costly repairs or replacements down the line. Furthermore, improperly installed doors might not be energy efficient, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. By hiring a professional, you're making an investment in the long-term performance of your door. Expert installers know how to ensure that your door is sealed properly to prevent drafts, which can help you save on energy bills over time. Additionally, they provide warranties on their work, offering you peace of mind that any issues that arise after installation will be promptly addressed. Conclusion: while DIY door installation might seem tempting, it's clear that professional installation offers numerous benefits. From ensuring the door is installed correctly to saving you time, money, and potential frustration, hiring an expert guarantees a smooth and successful outcome. For homeowners in Brandon, trusting professionals with door installation ensures that your door will function as intended, enhance your home's curb appeal, and provide the security and energy efficiency you deserve. Leave it to the experts and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a job well done.